It's currently like 9:30 in the morning. This morning I had a 5 a.m. client. Hi, my baby. I have a little bit of free time between work right now, so I've just been kind of cleaning my apartment, organizing. I'm doing laundry right now. You guys can probably hear it in the background. I bought an espresso machine yesterday, which I am so excited about, but I forgot to buy oat milk, so haven't been able to use it yet. Literally yesterday I was like, this is my last day getting coffee out, and then I'm only using my Nespresso machine from now on. Yeah, well, we see how that went because me showing up to work this morning with my caramel brulee latte, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and run a few errands right now. I'm out of my eye patches that I'm obsessed with. You guys already know how much I am a ride or die for the Skin Iceland eye patches for whenever I'm doing clients' makeup, and I've been out for a few days now, so I need to go and get some. Oh my gosh, she literally keeps hitting the camera. So I need to get some more of those and then just like a few random errands at Target, including my oat milk. So this is not it. Okay, I just got done at Target, picked up my salad, picked up a package that got delivered to my old apartment. Now I'm gonna go get a few items really quickly from a makeup store called Nigel's. This is where a lot of pro makeup artists go to stock up their kit. I really love using these little tiny clear jars. And then I also buy these little disposable lip brushes so that my clients can have their lip product to touch up throughout the day. $600 later. I just should not be trusted in a makeup store because I walk in thinking that I'm literally just going in to get eye patches and I come out with $600 worth of makeup when I have a literal Sephora in my house. So make it make sense. So for those of you guys who don't know, during COVID, I started offering one-on-one artistry classes, and basically what is included in it is a pre-class questionnaire, and it's basically just helpful for me to get a better understanding of what you're looking for and what you're trying to learn from this course. If you're a pro makeup artist or if you just want to spice up your everyday makeup routine, I'm about to do one of my classes right now. It's an hour-and-a-half long Zoom class, and we basically just get to chat, do our makeup together. I'm going to show her some tips and tricks and how I do things. I think this one's going to be mainly focused on bronzy makeup look and kind of like how I beat the skin and make it last all day long. I'll be doing the class on Zoom, so here's a little bit of my setup. I just have some of my go-to products that I use on my clients. Just finished my little virtual one-on-one class, and this is the look that we decided to go for. And the way that I do my foundation and the techniques that I show literally will make your foundation last for like 12 to 14 hours, which is such a game changer and so necessary for red carpets. And speaking of red carpets, now I'm going to get one of my clients, Kay Adams, ready for a red carpet that she's going to tonight. She's going to the InStyle Awards. Making my Nespresso right now. Good morning, baby bae. I've got my girl outfit on today. I kind of have like the majority of my makeup done, like my face, powder, my eyes. Oh my god, I forgot to do my brows. Hold on. I'm gonna start using some Rare Beauty products that I wanted to show you guys. Number one is their liquid eyeliner. The tip on this, sorry you guys, I just cannot talk while doing winged eyeliner to save my life. So had to do that part off camera. I'm just gonna go ahead and curl my lashes, and then I'm gonna use their mascara. And I actually have never tried their mascara before, so we can do like a little first impressions moment together. Oh yeah. I already love this. So for blush, I'm gonna be using the cream blush in the shade Nearly Neutral, and I haven't tried this either yet, but it's so pretty. I'm so excited. I'm just gonna take some product on the Beauty Blender, smile, and apply it to like the apples of my cheeks. This is a really pretty shade. Okay, Selena Gomez, I see you with the cream blush. Let's go. Okay, this might be going right into my kit after this video. I'm gonna go in with one of the liquid illuminizers. I can't decide if I wanna use the shade Enlighten or Enchant. Enlighten is more of just like a glass, like more natural tone color, and then Enchant is more of like a pinky undertone. Oh, that's very pink. This would actually be really pretty to go like directly on top of a blush if you want to make it like a little more pink and girly. And then Enlighten, oh that's pretty too. It's more of like a white highlighter. You can see the difference. It's kind of like champagne-y though it looks on camera. I think I might go with that one, and then get some on my Beauty Blender, kind of press it out before I go straight in, and then just apply this to the high points of my face where I want a little extra glow. And this is really pretty too. The one thing I will say sometimes whenever I do liquid highlighter after my blush, is I feel like it kind of just takes away the color of my blush, and then I have to go back in and like reapply. So if you're doing this at home, I would maybe suggest doing like the liquid illuminizer first and then going in with the cream blush after. As you can see, it kind of took away some of that product and it looks a little more like white now. So I'm gonna go back in and add a little more. Also, I just love blush. Okay, now for lips, I'm actually just gonna use a lip liner from another celebrity makeup artist brand actually. This is About Face Beauty by Halsey, and this is in the shade Smoking Room. This is something that I learned that I love recently whenever it comes to lining my lips. So I'm just gonna take the lip liner and I'm not gonna line the entire lip. That's so chuggy, so 2016. I'm just kidding, I literally started doing this like a week ago. So on the top lip, I'm really just gonna do the overline on the center and the Cupid's bow, which I've been doing this for a long time and lining straight across the Cupid's bow, but I was always really heavily overlining the sides of my lips as well. And I feel like this new lip liner hack is gonna lift your face so much, it's crazy, so watch. And I do like a heavy overline. Like, she's heavy, that's a lot. And then on the sides, I'm just going like right on my lip line, maybe a smidge over, just to like make it a little more even on both sides, but barely. On my bottom lip, I still overline the entire lip though. I just do that like center hack just on the top lip. And then for my lipstick, I'm actually gonna be using the Dewy Lip Balm in the shade Empathy. And this is just like another really pretty mauve color. Okay, it's a little more like wine stained than I thought it would be, but it's really pretty. I normally never wear like a bold lip at all. I always love like a solid nude lip, but I'm kind of into this. We'll see if I last throughout the day with it, because I tend to sometimes do these things while I'm applying my makeup and I'm like, oh, this is cute. And then like an hour later, I'm like, out of my comfort zone. I'm gonna be using the lip gloss in Nearly Neutral. And then I'm just taking a little bit of my concealer and like a flat brush like this, and I'm gonna go in and clean up the lip because, you know, a little messy. Sometimes it's hard to get like the perfect line, but I'm really into this glam. I love these colors. I think that it's so pretty. It makes my eyes pop too. Okay, and then last Rare Beauty product that we're gonna use is the setting spray. This is the Always an Optimist setting spray. So one thing I'm very picky about setting sprays for is the spray. I love like a gradual mist. I've never sprayed this, okay? So I have no clue what the spray is gonna be like, but I love like a gradual mist, not when it just like spits out the product. I love the Urban Decay setting spray all nighter. That's like one of my holy grails, but I will say I hate the sprayer because I feel like half the time when I do it, it like gets like little dots versus just like a gradual like mist. And this is like a pretty good mist. You can't really tell as I just keep wasting the product and spraying it. Big fan, because I don't spray it and feel like it hit one side of my face more than the other or anything. I feel like it just applied really evenly. It's very glowy too, which we love. Where'd my beauty blender go? And then after I apply my setting spray, I always just go in with my beauty blender and just kind of press it in. And this is gonna make your makeup last even longer because it's really gonna like melt the setting spray into your skin. And this one didn't leave any of those dots like I was talking about, but if there's any dots, this is just gonna like blend that away as well. But like, look at my skin right now, guys. It just looks so glowy and dewy and pretty. I'm really excited to do like a little wear test with this too and see if the products last throughout the day or if it kind of slides around since it is so glowy and dewy. Okay, things have been a little stressful the last hour and a half. I'm now on my way to a really exciting meeting and I wish I could talk to you guys about it, but I cannot. Top secret. I hate being that typical, like, I promise guys, something really cool is in the works, like you're gonna have to wait and see type of YouTubers, but you're gonna have to wait and see. This is my first meeting with this team and
at the light, turn left onto North.
It's a brand and someone that I've really wanted to work with for a really long time, and they actually reached out to me and wanted to meet me and kind of discuss some stuff. Just finished my meeting and it literally could not have gone better. I'm so excited for what we're about to do. After my meeting, Jess came and met me and we went to Purple PR. They were doing like a little gifting suite, so we got some, I thought this would say their logo, that's why I picked it up like that, but it doesn't. We got some cute little items. They gave us like a candle, some skincare, Saki treatment water. There's a few cute little items and a Kevyn Aucoin lip liner. And then I was supposed to go to Rare Beauty is hosting a Friendsgiving event tonight. And I was so excited to go because it was a cute little intimate dinner and I thought that it was gonna be really fun, but as you guys are sliding away. It was gonna take me an hour and a half to get there. I was gonna get there like an hour late, and it's a seated dinner. Like, think about how awkward it would be if I get there for the last 30 minutes, like while everyone's eating their dessert and I'm like just walking in by myself. I'm really bummed. And Rare Beauty, if you're watching this, please invite me to your next event. I swear I'll be there. I'll cancel everything. This ponytail is hurting my head so bad. Oh my god, I tied this hair tie so fucking tight. I can't even like get my nail in there to like get it out. And also this hair, LOL, because it didn't fit in the first ponytail holder, so then I had to add another to add it in. You guys, this is the most pain. I'm like literally swerving trying to get this ponytail out. Like, people probably think I'm drunk. Nope, just trying to get my pony out. How does Ariana Grande do this every day? Okay, now here is the real issue. What is happening on my head? Ow, that hurts so bad. I look so scary right now. I haven't worn my hair in a middle part in like 2 years. Is this chuggy? That's the best it's getting, guys. Today's actually a really exciting day. Today we are shooting Tana Mojo's campaign for Dizzy, her new wine collection, which I'm so stoked about. It's a white wine with 13% alcohol. You guys, that is as much percentage as a Four Loko. All of you bitches are gonna be fucked up drinking these white wines, which is how it should be. Like, we love a good basic bitch moment. We got the first shipment in Halloween weekend, so we were drinking a lot of them that weekend. I'm trying out this breakfast burrito place that I found on TikTok. It went really viral, and it's in North Hollywood. It's called Bread and Breakfast. It's actually like a little food truck stand outside of Circus Liquor. They said it'd be about 10-15 minutes, so I'm just gonna wait in my car, and I'm scared that they're gonna see me filming, and that's gonna be really embarrassing. What it's like being Tana Mojo's assistant, booking a spray tan for now. And then I'll call you right back.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, bye.
It's like being Tana Mojo's assistant. I'm gonna book a spray tan for right now.
For
right now.
8 hours ago. She goes, when? I go, oh, like now. Live, laugh, love.
Live, laugh, love.
Live life.
We have McDonald's though.
I know somehow we're gonna get there.
I know.
Oh, are those the words? Those aren't the words.
Taylor's version. I don't know what you were saying.
Kyla's version.
I hate you so much. Fake fan.
Literally fake fan.
Fake fan. Dale. Only Tana could say I want a spray tan, and a spray tanner would be at the house an hour later. You scare me. Oh my god. I'm so scared.
I'm fucking furious.
She goes, do I tell them I tested positive for COVID?
Not to appropriate coronavirus victims, but what do I do, Mama?
It's a Dixie day for sure.
You were upstairs taking a shower. We were all placing bets.
I think you should KKW your body and call it a day.
That's not that bad.
It's really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping to the glam chick.
Alexis is like, that will be a 2-day rate.
What do you want me to do?
Is the KKW body like the shit that like when
Yeah, I gotta call him.
smacked Courtney or whatever and it was like on the
Courtney! Yeah!
Oh my god, wait, I wanna try it. And that's why he makes the big bucks. Are you actually gonna go back to it?
Wait, are you? All of us right here, so fucking ready though.
Alexis is makeuping Tana's tits.
She literally is making my butthole.
It takes a village.
I'm sure at this point you guys have seen it all over Instagram, but this is what the box looks like. 4 nail polishes and then a lip and eye oil and a serum. So I want to try out the skincare for you guys and let you guys know my thoughts. Also, I didn't even realize, shout out to Alicia Marie for letting me know, because I posted this whole PR package and she was like, bitch, there's a hoodie at the bottom. She's like, I didn't even know. I like threw it away and then had to go dig through the trash. Okay, so let's look at the Pleasing pen. This is what it looks like. It's double-sided, so it has the eye serum on one side and then the matte lip oil on the other side, which is kind of random to have a lip oil that's matte because most of the time lip oils are glossy, but I feel like the reasoning, listen, I don't know Harry, I don't know his reasoning, but I feel like this is kind of helping to break the stigma of guys wearing makeup and doing skincare and things like that. And I feel like most of the time a typical average guy would want more of a matte lip and not like a super glossy. We'll try the eye first. Oh, and it's a little roller. Oh my god, I don't know why this feels so nostalgic to me, and so early 2000s. I feel like a lot of products haven't been like a roller ball since then, and I'm kind of loving that it's on a roller ball because of the metal. It's so cold and it just feels so good. It makes you feel awake. And then let's try the matte lip oil. Oh, the lip oil is also a roller ball. I genuinely can't tell if it's applying the product or not yet. It's just really light. It doesn't really give much of a gloss, obviously, since it's matte, but it feels hydrating. I suddenly might be switching up my everyday skincare routine so that I can wear Harry Styles products. I don't know. Ooh, this is cute. So it's called the Illuminating Pearlescent Serum, and this is what it looks like in the bottle. It's so pretty. This has a little bit of a scent, but not bad. It feels so smooth. It feels like butter on my skin right now. I feel like this would make a really amazing makeup primer because it's literally just making my skin feel so soft and smooth. I'm into that. Wait, let's read what it says. Oh, it does say you can use daily alone or a priming base for makeup. We love that. Honestly, I feel like I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup today. I wasn't really planning on doing it today, but I feel like I should, so that then we can see how good of a primer this is and we can do like a little bit of a wear test. It does feel a little bit sticky on my hands right now, but that is perfect for a makeup primer. And honestly, can't believe that I got a gift from Harry Styles. I think the only way that I could go up from here is getting a PR package from Justin Bieber. So if anyone from Justin's team is watching this and wants to do charity work, please send me a PR package. Like, I will literally pay you to put me on the PR list.